Guys, I gotta admit it, these are amazing times in AI. I just created an automated video editing tool, and the video that you're watching now was edited at the tool I created. Here's how I did it. First off, I was inspired by this video. Claude Plus Editing, building an AI agent to edit your videos, with Hamel Hussein and Sean Talibi. Basically, he describes his process and how he does exactly what I'm telling you about today. But I kind of used a meta process to create his process. This is how it started. Basically, I said to my cursor agent, look at this video and see if you can figure out how to make effectively the same thing locally. I told it to pull down the transcript. It pulled down the transcript using White, which is a great tool to know about. You can download YouTube videos and their transcripts apparently. And then I said, okay, cool, read that transcript and then let it set up this repo to do effectively the same things as best as you can. Give it a good try. In particular, I want you to set it up as an agent skill. So of course, use the cursor create skill to create the skill. Everything is so meta these days. And it chugged away for like 5 minutes. In the end, it said, all right, well, all you need to do now is set up your Assembly AI key. And so of course I had to figure out what that was. And it turns out that Assembly AI is this really cool set of speech to text related models where you can do all sorts of crazy stuff. And importantly, this speech to text tool preserves the mistakes that you make, the ums and the uhs, and keeps the correct timestamps for the start and stop of every single word, which is exactly what you need to pull those items out of the videos. And it's really easy to try because you get like 185 hours of pre-recorded speech to text transcription for free. So definitely try it out. The API key is free. So of course I had to try it out immediately. I uploaded an example video of me basically talking to my camera, just like I'm doing right now. And I said, yeah, more or less, do the works. Transcribe it, take out the ums and uhs and silent spaces. And it worked and worked and worked. And the thing that came out was not bad, but also not very good. It clipped the end of every word at a stop point. No biggie. So I said, okay, well, I've created another example project, and I want you to do the same thing you did last time, but we had a problem with you clipping my words out, so figure out what that is. Tell me if you can figure out, something to fix that. And of course it went and said, ooh, I think I know what's causing it, and maybe we can fix it, and blah, blah, blah. And it said, what should I do? And I was like, do what you think is best here. And so it chugged for about 30 seconds more, and I ran a video through it with the whatever it fixed, and the results were not that bad. Definitely not bad for about the 5 minutes of time I put into creating this entire video editing suite. So here we are in this, my third attempt, where I am using as an example video, a video where I'm explaining how I create the video editing suite that is itself being used to create this. You gotta love recursive humor. And just in case you're wondering, the video recording stuff is all being done on OBS. I don't really know how OBS works. I just ask an AI to tell me about how it works, and it's doing pretty good. So I don't know. How do you think it worked out? I've attached the original video before automated editing here or here. I don't know how it works. But I was using I was reading like a script and pausing a lot. I think you'll see it's crazy how different the auto-edited version of this is. If you think this is interesting, if you want to build AI products, if you want other neat little tips and tricks like this, then make sure to check out my website, arcturuslabs.com, and especially go to the blog post. We'll link all the stuff I can everywhere, and in particular, if you want this repo with the automated skills video skills, then make sure you click on this, and I'll give it to you. All right, that's it. I hope this works.